It's Saturday, 22nd of February 2020, and these are the ingredients for my vegetable and fruit juice. I've got one slice of pineapple, three very ripe tomatoes, half a carrot, two cucumbers. They're huge, so normally I use three, but today two, and one third of a limau capas, which is this. It's a limau capas. It's a lemon lime hybrid with the aroma of its own. I juice it together with the rind or skin, and a small piece of young ginger, and coriander leaves, a bunch of coriander leaves. You can't see the coriander, they're down there somewhere. So I'll juice them now and show you the result in a moment.